Here's what's in my refrigerator and freezer now. We're gonna start in the freezer side first. We've got a 3-pound pack of chicken breast. We've got some chicken legs, drumsticks back there. So I can dig that up. Some fish sticks and a slab of ribs. We got a thing of popcorn chicken. Got some potato wedges, 2 pizzas, and a pack of corn. That right there is just fish that my husband's caught, and deer meat from a deer that my husband has killed, and some soup that I put in the freezer. And then right there we have 2 things of broccoli, some berries down on the bottom. Up here we got some Xoxo and a biscuit. And then in the refrigerator, we'll start in the door. I've got 2 things of butter, some baking soda, minced garlic. My husband's, I don't know how you say that. I still have my onion in there. Some medicines. Then all of our sauces, cocktail sauce, some cherries, some sweet relish, hot sauce, some Dale seasoning, bacon bits, chocolate syrup, soy sauce, buffalo sauce, and barbecue sauce. Then all my salad dressings, and I got some grape jellies back there, some yum yum sauce, mustard, and mayonnaise. Then all my coffee creamers that I like, and then some Worcestershire sauce. And inside the refrigerator, we've got some lemonade, milk, 1 clear American water, some tea, buttermilk, heavy whipping cream, and 2 Kool-Aid juice jammers, whatever they're called. That was a rotisserie chicken, but I'm saving that and feed that to my little doggy. It's just a chicken breast. We got some sugar, some flour, some hard taco shells, pickles, apples, and some pudding, some bacon, ham, and hot dogs that the kids have already got in, some little smokies, and some ground beef, 2 things of cinnamon rolls, and a thing of biscuits. And then right here, I've got some pepperoni and cheese in the bag, some roast beef, and some more cheese down there, some sauce Gouda cheese, some shredded cheddar cheese, slices of white American cheese, and this down here is just, I put like noodles and brown sugar, powdered sugar, rice, stuff like that, brown sugar, and that's everything. Alright, and then this is our pantry, which is just the cabinet that you pull out, and right there's our peanut butters and syrups, some gallon bags, some bowl covers, fresh bags, and some extra grocery bags. And then you pull this drawer out, and we've got some paper towels, some more French salad dressing, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, vinegar, some kind of brownie kit my grandma gave me. This is our oatmeal and instant grits. And then here's my cans, and you see we got some spaghetti meatballs, some tomato soup, the recipe, some green beans, baked beans, and let's see, some apricot pies. It's just random stuff, canned food stuff. Then right here's where I keep my bread, loaves of bread, and then the sweet rolls, and then the kids' noodles. And then down here I've got like pastas and 2 things of brownie desserts. And then right here, and I kind of need to fix this because it's kind of got messed up, because I wanted all the pastas in this one and then like the other stuff in this one, so I kind of need to switch these brownies out and maybe put these pastas in here. But anyway, this is how I've got it for now. And then that's some instant mashed potatoes, some stuffing, some kosher salt, macaroni and cheese, couscous, shells, some cold brew coffee that I didn't really like, and a little thing of jello down there, and this is some pink salmon. And that's everything.